Hey you guys, I'm Marty Geek. In this video, I have an unboxing and hands-on look of the iOttie Easy One Touch Connect dash mount with Alexa built in. Now, if you've been following my channel, you know that almost like 2 weeks ago, I did a video of a hands-on look of the Amazon Echo Auto or Auto Echo, and this device goes for around $49 when it officially releases. I got it for $25 because I got a special offer, but it goes for around $49. I did a video on this, but I received an email to see if I wanted to try this out, which is basically a car mount with Alexa built in, and it has microphones and everything. The phone connects to the mount, and that's how you do the commands and all that. So it sounds a little bit more convenient, but this thing is also more expensive as well. It's over $60 right now. I just checked and it's around $69.95. So like you see here, it says explore new roads with Alexa. Alexa gets direction home. Alexa play music. Alexa play Kohana, make phone calls, set reminders, one touch and go. You see the car mount right there, and over here you see it as well connected there. You see the lights turned on each side right there. But let's go ahead and unbox it and do the initial setup here and show you guys what's in the box, just in case you're interested in getting this. Here you got instruction manuals, which I really recommend to read it because there's a couple things you should know about it. And right here is basically the device. This is the device right here, the car mount. When you click like this, it opens up the arms, and here you can actually adjust the foots of the mount, and you can go ahead and adjust it again, tighten it up. And over here you put the car mount right there. You got the microphone button right over there. So if you want to turn off the microphone, you could just tap right there and it'll turn off the microphone by clicking that button. So when you put the phone, you just tap right there and it'll tighten the phone. Also included with the package, just gonna put this to the side. Inside here you got, of course, the cable that's going to connect your device or the car mount to the power of your car or vehicle. You got some 3M sticker just in case you need to manage the cable of this thing. And there you go. It connects via micro USB, and this connects to your power AC in your car. Over here you got the car mount, the official car mount right here, with suction cup right there. And of course you have to clean it if you want to keep using it on moving it around. And here you got the car mount, which has this right here to adjust it. You release this and you can adjust the angle right there. And this right here, if you loosen this up, you can adjust the arm. You can make the arm a little bit more longer, like you see right there. And that's it. So this, of course, to use the suction, click it right there and it will tighten it up. And this right here fall off. I loosened it up too much. Just gonna put it in and go like that. And basically that's it. This right here goes to the car, to the dashboard of your car. I'm gonna show later on how to put it. This goes on the dashboard, and then you put the suction cup right here. This is where you're gonna suction the cup right here, the dash mount. So it's gonna go right there. So now let's go ahead and set this up. And of course, to set it up with the smartphone, you're actually gonna have to download two applications. You have to download the iOttie app and the Amazon Alexa app. So I have already both of them downloaded. This is the iOttie app, and what this is gonna do is actually gonna upgrade the firmware inside of this if it actually needs an update. And the first time I did connect it, it did update. So I did this right before the video to try and see how it connects, and did update. So right here is where you're going to connect the power to the mount right here, and we're going to use this cable right here, which is connected to the wall, or to the power of the wall. And there you have it. Right away you see this light up right there. You see this light up over here. And if we open this up, look at that. You got that lighting up right there in orange. That means that it's actually ready to sync with your application or to set it up. So here we're going to go ahead and add a device. And it's going to scan. It's going to scan right there. It's going to start scanning. It's going to see a wait for it to finish. Okay, it found the device. That was pretty fast. Let's go and connect. I think it's going to also look for an update, see if it's actually updated. Look at that. You can see it light it up. And there it goes. It finally updated. The first time I actually connected it, it said there was an update available, and it did the update, and this app actually reset as well, turned off and then turned on again. So now it says connect to Alexa. Let's go and open that up. Let's go and choose the Alexa application. There you go. And it says, okay, there it is already. Available devices right there. Set up Alexa on your iOttie. You connect, continue. Okay, that's going pretty fast. And setup complete. Look at that. Your iOttie EOT Connect 3A2A has been successfully set up and is ready to use by tapping the physical button. There you go. So right now, the reason I have these speakers right here is because I want to simulate my cell phone connected to my car. So let's pretend this is my vehicle, right? So if I want to play music there or a podcast,
it's very fitting because
the music is coming from there. So let's go and say, Alexa, what's the weather for today?
Currently, in El Paso, it's 96 degrees Fahrenheit with mostly cloudy skies. Tonight, you can expect haze with a low of 77 degrees.
What's cool about this compared to this is that this right here, besides having this, you still need a car mount to hold your phone, right? If you see my video that I did, you see that I had this on the dashboard and I had my cell phone using a car mount. With this, you have everything integrated there. So what's cool here is that, right, this is open like that. My phone has a case, which should be a little bit harder to hold, right? But you push it and there it goes. When you push it, it automatically adjusts to the size of the phone. That way it makes it a little bit harder. You know, it holds it really good. The grip of it is going to be really, really good. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Why did the pig cross the road? To say wee, 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 all the way home.
Okay, there you have it. So like you see there, really cool. What now we're gonna have to do is try it out. You know, try it out in the car. To let the phone go, just click there, boom. It's just gonna let the phone go. So like you see there, the phone is gonna tap right there. It's gonna adjust to the size of the phone. Like you see here, the phone actually has a case, and this is a 6.3 inch phone screen, I think it is. And it holds it pretty good even though it has a case. But of course, I'm going to go and show how it works with the connected to the car as well. So this right here, all we got to do is to finish the process here. Loosen this up in the back. Tap right there. And it's going to go ahead and adjust. So if you want to move this sideways, horizontal, portrait, all you got to do is loosen this up right here and just move it around. So to activate the microphone, you actually have to tap and hold the button. Remember, this button is actually doing these two buttons function. Right now, this right here, if you tap right here, it issues commands instead of saying Alexa. This right here, it turns off the mic. If you just tap it, it's not going to do anything because the microphone is off. You got to tap and hold. And now the microphone is on. See, this light turns off. This light turns off. And if I just tap it, it's going to give me commands. Who's the president of the United States?
The United States president is Donald Trump.
There you go. How far is San Antonio from here?
San Antonio is 185.2 miles away by car.
Other differences that I almost forgot to mention about these two devices is that this right here, the Amazon Echo device, actually has 8 microphones. Like you see right here, 8 microphones right there. The iOttie has 2 microphones right there, one on each side right there. These are the only two microphones, so I have to actually test it out to see if the microphone picks up my voice clearly even though I'm playing music. That's one thing that I'm have to go ahead and try it out. Now another thing that I like the Amazon Echo over this device right here is that if you have a vehicle that does not have Bluetooth, you can still use the Amazon Auto Echo because it has the aux input. The aux input lets you connect this to a vehicle that has no Bluetooth, and you can still use this device, Amazon Echo with Alexa. The problem here, the only negative thing is that it doesn't have that option anywhere. There is no aux input whatsoever that you can use to connect it to a vehicle that does not have Bluetooth connection. But you know, today almost every vehicle has Bluetooth. I actually have a vehicle with Bluetooth and another vehicle without Bluetooth. Okay, so like you saw right there, I already put up the plate and I already attached the mount to the dashboard, and everything's connected to the power as well. So we're gonna turn it on to see how cool this looks when it turns on. Like you see there, it turns blue. It's supposed to connect to the phone. Right now it's going orange, and it should connect to the phone right there. Like you see, it turned blue, so that means it already connected. It flashed, letting me know that it's correctly connected to the phone. I'm gonna go ahead and put the phone right here. Just push it in. There you go. Okay, so I'm listening to some music there that's not gonna give me trouble with copyright, so that's why I'm putting those type of music right there. So let's go and back up and see if we can let's see how it works on the road. So of course, the cool thing about having this over the Amazon Echo is that with the Amazon Echo, not only do you need a spot to put the Echo device, you also need a car mount to hold your smartphone. Alexa, where can I get some pizza right now?
Here are a few pizza shops that are open now. 1. Artavino's Pizza.
There you go.
2. Pizza Pros. 3. Peter Piper Pizza. And 4. Papa John's Pizza.
Alexa, give me directions to Artavino's Pizza.
Getting directions to Artavino's Pizza at 11100 Sean Haggerty Drive.
Okay, look at that. Woo! Look at that. It actually opened. The Google Maps application is giving me the route.
On Dyer Street for 3 miles.
There you go. But let's go ahead and ask something else. Alexa, is it gonna rain tonight?
No rain is expected tonight.
There you go. Alexa, tell me a joke.
Did you hear about the wisecracking farmer?
Wise.
She was a real smarty plants.
What?
Your
Alexa,
1-year-old
call GameStop. Let's see if it actually. There you go. It's canceling the map. The map is actually running in the background, but now it's calling GameStop. There you go. So you got hands-free calling using the Alexa. One thing that I wanted to show you guys is that this still works if you don't have the phone on the mount, and it actually looks pretty cool because you can see the blue bars light up where every time you say, Alexa, where's the nearest hamburger place near me?
Here are a few ones. 1. The Hamburger Place. 2. Brewer's Bar, not the Hamburger Place. 3. Jimbo's Hamburger Place. And 4. Jumbo's Hamburger Place. You can ask me for more information about any of these, such as phone numbers,
that's very cool.
hours, or address.
That's really cool. So you can actually see the lights turn on every time you say the word, and that's it. You know, it actually works just like it had the phone. It really doesn't need the phone to be there. Remember, when you're gonna release the phone, just press this right here and it'll release the phone. When you want to put the phone is actually gonna do pressure and it's gonna close. It's gonna tighten up the phone depending on the size. And yes, you can fit the phone with the case. That's what I'm doing on mine, and it fits perfectly good, and it has a very good grip as well. That's good. Alexa, how far is Disneyland from me?
I found a Disneyland park. It is 680.4 miles away on Disneyland Drive in Anaheim.
Woohoo.
It is open until tomorrow at 12 a.m.
Damn. Alexa, can you give me directions there? Okay. So
Getting directions to Disneyland Park at 1313 Disneyland Drive.
Okay, good. Let's go ahead at Disney. Are we going to Disney? Let's see. Give me the directions. Are we going to Disney? Yeah, we're gonna go to Disney. It's gonna take us 11 hours and 41
800
minutes.
feet.
The mount by itself is actually very sturdy. The phone it does a very good job holding the phone. Remember, you can actually adjust this to whatever directions you want. You want horizontal, you want it vertical. If you want the phone to be a little bit closer to you, you can also do that, because right now I'm not using the length at all. So if I want to extend the arm of the car mount a little bit closer to myself, I can actually do that. Other than that, guys, thanks for watching this video. Let me know what you think about this car mount with Alexa built in, and I'll leave links in my descriptions just in case you're actually interested. So if you have any comments or any questions about the car mount, please let me know and I'll answer them gladly. Thanks for watching this video. Till next time, guys. Bye bye.